Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in a daily newspaper of Monday. Yes, almost end of the month. Monday, February the 26th, 2024. We have not so good news because in today's newspaper we have only 3 regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. There are no extra puzzles. Let me show you. No additional. What I will do is in the evening I will solve the rest of the puzzles of the weekend edition. Yes, the weekend edition, we have 5 puzzles left, 3 in additional and 2 in puzzle page. And the news of today, well, today it's 142 days ago, another war started. Yes, another war. We have 2 wars, right? 2 wars at the moment. Another war between Israel and Hamas. Yeah, 142 days. Well. Those people in Gaza are suffering. Anyway, enough about the war. Let me see. The first one, the 3-star Sudoku, will be number 8075. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26, I believe. Yeah, 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1-star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4-star Sudokus in the additional, it will be at 2 stars. But it's indicated with 3 stars. And for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. If it's really at 2 stars, then I need 15 to 20 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Okay. We have here 6 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 in the first row could be here, or there. Here, or there. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. Only place level 6 should be there. Alright, 1. Alright, and now 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 7. We have 1 and a 7 in this column, last column, so no 1 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 7, 1 and a 7. So 2 missing numbers now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. Now. Now. 2, okay. Ay. 6. 2. 3. 9. Come on. Let me think. 3. Need a 1 here. Need a 5 there. Okay, 5. Need a 5 here. Well, 5 missing numbers in this big square. We have a 5. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and a 9. We have a 5 and a 9 in the middle row, so no 5 and a 9 in these 3 boxes. 5 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 9. Need a 5 here. Then 4, 8, and 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place level 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1 was the one that drew 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes, and here. Then 2 missing numbers in the last column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in, sorry, we have a 3 in this row. First row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 5 goes there. Alright. Then 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, sorry, the row below, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4, 6, 9. 4, 6, 9, 4, 6, 9, 4, 6, 9. Look, we have a 4 in this column. Third column, no 4 there. 4 in the first column, no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. So the 6 and the 9 are left. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. So we have a 9. Wait. 2 miss. We have 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 and a 4 in this column, so no 2 and a 4 in these 2 boxes. 2 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes that appear in this big square. The numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, the 3 goes, and the 7. Need a 7 here. We have 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only place left on 8 should be there. Need a 9 here. 1, 7. Okay. 4 in this column. 4 in the middle column, so the column next, only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 in the first row, no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. Alright. 3. Need a 3 here. We have a pair. 3 and a 7 in the first row. 3 and a 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 3 to 7 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 3 to 7, 3 to 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3, 3, 7, 7. We have a pair. Oh, no, not the pair, not the pair. 9, 9. Need a 9 here, okay. 2. Seven. Yeah. 5 and 9. Yeah. Wow. 9 minutes already passed. Still thinking. Need a 9 here. Six, 9, 9. 3, 2, 5, 5, 5. Need a 5 here. 5, 5. Yeah. 2, 8, and a 1. Need an 8 here. Well. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column between. Middle column, the only 2 places left for the 8. Cube here, cube there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2. Cube here, cube there. Yeah. 1. Need 6. 6 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 9. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1 and 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. 2, 8. Need a 1 here in this row. Well, the 1 could be here, could be there in the first row. And I need a 5 in this big square. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 in these 2 boxes. Here, 5 in the column, no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be, and there. Alright. Three. Overlook this 3. We have a 3 in the first column, a 3 in the second column, so in the third column. Oh, wait, we have a pair. The 3 and a 7 in the first column, the 3 and a 7 in the second column, so in the third column. Only 2 places left for the 3 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 3 in the last row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 7 goes there. 1 and a 7, we have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 1 goes there. A 1 box left in the last row for the man. 1, the 2, 3. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing. Then 9, 5 and a 9. Yeah. 7 and a 8. 6. Need a 6 here. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 1. We have a 1 in the first column, no 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 could be here, could be there in this big square. We have 1 in this column, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column, so the third column. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, okay. Need a 2. We have a 2 in this row. Oh, wait. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 6. We have a 2 and a 6 in this row, so no 2 and the 6 in these 2 boxes. 2 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square. For the amount, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing here. Wait. 5 in this column, 5 in the third column, so the column between the second column. Only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. No 5 there, 5. Should be there. 2 and 8, overlook this 8. We already have 8 here in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, the 2 goes in there. So 2 numbers left in the third column for numbers 6 and 9. 6 and 9. We have a 6 in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 9 goes there. Okay. 2, 8. Need a 6. Well. 1 box left in this big square for number 9. Here 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 6. Okay. And I need an 8 here. 8 here and 8 or there and 8. 8. Okay. 2 numbers left in this row. For numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 5 middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, the 1 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with the 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 2. So the 2 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 5. So the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 9, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 3 to 7, 3 to 7. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 is missing. 9 is missing. 8 and 9. 8 and 9. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes in there. 2 and 8. We have an 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 8. We have 8 now in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there, so 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 6. We have a 6 in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and the 6. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes in there. Finished 16 minutes. Wow. 2 stars. Yeah. Another 3 stars. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 15 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1 star. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 regular puzzles, the 4-star Sudoku and the binary. Until then, bye bye for now.